This filter would require replacement at every 500 hours, and this one is at every 250 hours. So we are expecting to see quite a
difference. You know, the filtration capacity of a filter is defined by the length of the paper element that is inside. So when they're saying 250 hours, I think probably what would expect when you open this thing is that there's going to be a shorter element. And with that shorter element, what it means is that it's going to be clogged much earlier. And therefore, as much as you may have paid only 150 Rand when purchasing this fuel filter, you need to change it twice.